Hi everyone, this is Jesse from We Do Internet, and today we're going to look at how to install use a test server for free on the internet with Poopy.life. Today on Unscripted, we are going to install, or actually we're not going to install, we're going to utilize a website called Poopy.life. This is going to allow us to create sample websites using WordPress, and this is all for free. So in order to get started, go to Poopy.life, and then here, click underneath the poop icon, emoji, and Poopy.life will create an install for you. Now once that install is set up, you can use it just like any other WordPress, except that it's going to be temporary. It's only going to last for about 24 hours. So whatever you're going to do on it, it's going to be just something for you to toy with, to play around, to see how it works. Well, it says we're done. Let's click on continue to your install. And they have made some updates and changes. So right now, if you notice, this bar here, it stays in this position all the time, which I'm not really a big fan of. And they give you your information right here in the admin login section where they tell you your username and your password. So in order for you to keep using this installation, you have to log into the new Poopy.life address they gave you, plus demo, plus this password. So let's go ahead and just copy that down so we can use that in the future. And we can make sure that we won't lose this install for the next 24 hours that we have it. Alright, now for you to get started here in WordPress, as you notice, it says WordPress 5.03, and we want to actually update it, so we can click on update, click on update now, and the website's going to update just like any other website. So one thing I do like about it is that it does act like any other kind of WordPress website. And if you want to get a more robust feature set for Poopy.life, you can also pay for it and get lots of other options for that. Let's go ahead. We're just going to install really quick just to make sure it works. We're going to go ahead and install. Let's go ahead and install the classic editor. Click install. Click on activate. And there you have it. You have a fully functioning WordPress website that lasts for 24 hours. And you can do all types of things in it and have fun as you enjoy it. Alright? So enjoy Poopy Life.